Good morning, my friends. A huge raise is coming very soon for millions of Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries. President Biden has also announced his new legislation that will greatly affect senior citizens and Social Security recipients across the U.S. Lawmakers in both the House of Representatives and Senate want to move the bill forward as quickly as possible. So friends, please make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video. And please share this video on social media and with your friends if they need more honest stimulus news. And if you would like to enter today's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards, please friends, listen for the keyword from this video.
I would add, nobody making less than you're tired of hearing me say it, but no one making less than $400,000 a year will pay a single penny more in federal taxes. As I've said in the past, I'm a capitalist. I have no problem with people making as much money as they are capable of making. But I'm asking you one simple question: just pay your fair share. Pay your fair share, that's all. That's it. Just your fair share. And no one can argue that 20% for a billionaire is unfair. Here's what this adds up to. We're going to continue to create jobs, bring down the cost for families, and rein in deficits left by my predecessor. All important steps in to continue our historic progress to build a better America. I said from the outset, we're the only country in the world that comes out of crises stronger than we went into them. That's what we're doing here. I want to thank you all for showing up today, and we'll have plenty of time to answer questions about other items other than the job.
For years now, seniors on Social Security have been forced to grapple with low cost of living adjustments, also known as COLAs. Those COLAs have caused beneficiaries to lose buying power, resulting in immense financial stress. But this year, Social Security recipients finally received the larger COLA that they've been waiting for. It was a 5.9% boost that took effect at the start of 2022. And now, beneficiaries of Social Security could also see a big change coming very soon to their monthly benefits. President Biden recently unveiled a proposed budget for 2023 that includes $14.8 billion for Social Security. That's roughly a 14% increase from funding levels allocated in 2021. Many economists have said that the increase can help improve the program's services for millions of Americans. President Biden's proposals also includes $224 million increase that would go towards ensuring Social Security and Medicare provide the right benefits to those who qualify, and that those funds are spent responsibly. Some of that extra money would go towards supporting the investigation of fraud. Based on recent inflation data, the Senior Citizens League is estimating that seniors on Social Security could be in line for a 7.4% COLA in 2023. This would mean a large monthly benefit increase. However, that increase to monthly checks will not be adequate, and this is according to the Senior Citizens League, a nonpartisan advocacy group. In a letter sent to members of both the House of Representatives and Senate, the group is ramping up its calls for new $1,400 stimulus checks to be sent at once to all Social Security beneficiaries. The letter stated, "We believe that a special stimulus for Social Security recipients could help defray the higher costs that some would face if next year's COLA bumps them into a higher tax bracket, causing higher tax rates on their income and surcharges to their Medicare Part B premiums." So my friends, do you support checks for only Social Security beneficiaries? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is Apple. If you would like to enter today's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards, please click and like several of my videos. Comment below this keyword, which is Apple, and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. There are only a few more weeks left to file your tax return or request an extension. The tax deadline is April 18th, but if you have already filed your tax return and are expecting a refund, it should arrive in about 21 days if you use direct deposit and filed electronically. But I know some of you have said that it has been 3 weeks since you have filed and you still have not received your refund. Well, friends, the IRS has also announced some news. The Internal Revenue Service has said that some tax refunds may take a little longer. The tax agency has cited a number of common factors that can cause your tax refund to be delayed. First, the IRS is cautioning taxpayers not to rely on receiving a refund by a certain date, especially when making major purchases or paying bills. You should also be aware that it can take the bank several days to process the deposit before it hits your account and is available. One big reason why your tax refund may be delayed is if your tax return has errors or is incomplete. So friends, when you file your tax return, it is important to cross-check any information that you've included to make sure it is accurate. Also, friends, please note that if there is a problem that needs to be fixed after you've submitted your return, the Internal Revenue Service will first try to proceed without contacting you. The Internal Revenue Service will first try to proceed without contacting you. That means it could be days or even weeks before you know there is a problem. Another reason why your tax refund may be delayed is if you owe back taxes to the IRS. The tax agency may take some or all of your tax refund to pay off that debt. If your refund contains more money than what you owe, you will receive the remaining balance via direct deposit or check in the mail, but it could be delayed. This year, the Internal Revenue Service is encouraging taxpayers to file electronically and set up direct deposit to get their refunds back more quickly. With mail delays, it could take a while for the IRS to receive your return in the mail and even longer to issue a paper check. The Internal Revenue Service says that filing your return online instead of through the mail is more important than ever this year to avoid any refund delays. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you for everyone who has joined me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you. To say thank you, I'm giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards today. Remember, if you would like to enter the giveaway, you simply have to click and like several of my videos. And also comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. And friends, please make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you very much and have a wonderful and blessed Friday.